Hi, welcome back to BZmiatas. We're doing part 3 Cadillac. Let's just dig into it. Okay, so this is one piece of the build. We're going to do a little bit of fabrication. This is the passenger side mount for the washer bottle. So this sits like that on the car. Those are for the studs of the crash bar. This is for the washer bottle. This is for the headlight. And well, down here is for the washer bottle as well. So what we need to recreate for the driver's side is just right here, the stud mounting points and the headlight mounting point. So we can basically chop off that part of the bracket, that part, and then we're not chopping this one, we're just making a flat piece out of metal. It's all on the same plane, so we can do that. We don't need to worry about strengthening it with any of these side pieces or that indent or anything, as it strictly just needs to be for that tab of the headlight, and the headlight has other mounting points, so it'll still be strong. So we're gonna go ahead and make a template of this, then we'll move into cutting that piece out. Last cut we need to make on the bracket is just a little slant right there. It kind of is right in front of the air intake, so just want to give it a little more clearance. Last time we had to take our rocker off to fit on our Fender. Now we have all the clips back on the rocker and we can put it back on the car. Alright, so I got the side skirt on and I went to check how it might attach underneath on the other side and realized I'm a big idiot and the side skirts are different. So that one's got a flare at the bottom, and that one's probably just more of the base model where it rounds under. So I'll have to look into getting the right one in black, in good condition. Alright, either way, we got our fender fitted up nice. Gap is all good on the door, and the hood. Got this one pulled in a little bit at the front because that was out of it. And it was too close in the back, and now it's good. Alright, we can't finish the washer bottle because the bracket goes into the crash bar and we need the correct nuts. But I did take off this bolt to be able to bend the curtain forward again. So we need to realign this and get that bolt back in there. Our new grill didn't come with this metal support piece, so I have to drill out the rivets and get it attached to our new one. This is on our grill where we're attaching the support that goes up to the radiator. And yesterday we drilled out the rivets for the old one. Today we have to put new ones in. Those rivets expanded into kind of a star, so it had a lot of holding power on the back. I don't know if I even have a rivet big enough. I have these nice black ones that fit, and they're a little loose, so it could tighten up, but I don't know if that'd be strong enough. So I happen to have locking washers that I think if I put on the back side, pull the rivet through, that should tighten it up and it shouldn't be going anywhere. Alright, we got our bumper fully reassembled, and I have the car backed out for a little more space to work with. So let's get working on that front end. We can finally mount our crash bar in with all 8 nuts on the studs and tighten them down. Then we'll be able to work on the other pieces like the ECU on the driver's side, the washer bottle on the passenger side, both headlights, and then finally the bumper, the grille, the fender liner, and our radiator panel and hood seal. I've hit a snag. I really thought that I'd connected this before and the tab had made it all the way onto that, but looking at it now, they're kind of opposites. So I don't know how I got that there. I did look it up when I bought this washer bottle. It said it was only good for 0809, so technically it doesn't have to fit this. I just think it's weird they switched pumps. Alright, not letting anything slow us down. Time for headlights. Here's the first look at the Cadillac front end completed. There is still the fender liner on that side. I gotta put a bolt up through into the retaining bracket on both sides to keep the bumper in from flapping. And then I have to pin everything underneath and put the lip on. But headlights, bumper, grills, everything else, it's on, it's good, it's fitting well, looks amazing. Alright, I went and got a replacement washer pump over at O'Reilly's. Didn't cost much at all, and now that's all secured. So we can get this fender liner on and the splash guard underneath the engine. One of the last things we have to do is the driver's side fender needs its little Grille insert piece. However, this is half broken, that's fully broken, and then this old sealant tape is no longer doing anything. We have the old passenger one from the original, which gives us a workable second tab right there. We just need to be able to transfer that somehow. And then this one is also good. So we need to replace both of those onto here some manner, and then also use tape to stick it. I do have some like super strong 3M tape, but I'm just worried that it'll be too thick as far as sticking it to the car, and it'll stick out too far and look funny, and you'll be able to see the tape. So to start, I got to get this old tape off. Alright, a quick look. We have the tab bonded, the other side a little stronger. It's still the broken one, but I think that's going to be okay because this one just in a small hole that it fits perfectly. And this was kind of more for adjustment. With the tape we'll add on, and I still have to peel off more. It should come out really well. Got our correct side skirt and the lower lip on. Alright, so I got the Cadillac registered and we just finished up car wash and a little bit of detail work. I'm not too good at that, don't really enjoy it. So I'm gonna take a look at the car now. Alright, that's it for the Cadillac. Can't keep every project I do, so this one's heading out. So thanks everybody for checking this out. It's been a fun process. It was nice, easy, quick. Learned a lot on the way, and we're just gonna jump into the next one soon. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye.